We're here this morning at Keller High School and seeing some progress that's been made over the last several weeks and months. We moved the band hall into the lecture hall. To the right of me is where the new band hall will be located. We've had an earthwork contractor that's been coming through and staked the property and is actually working on getting the building pad ready and actually putting together a schedule for the pier driller to come out in the next several days and weeks ahead. And as the band hall takes shape, the progress will move forward into the new front entrance of Keller High School. Here we are at South Keller Intermediate. We've had a lot of progress made over the last several months. The new library is completed. We've got a lot of work inside the building all completed. The new playground area is in place and school is operational. Over the next several months, we'll be drilling over 300 piers, and we hope to see a lot of progress on this campus as well. Out at the new elementary number 23 campus for our district that's going to be located in our West Fork community in the southwestern portion of our district. As you can see behind me, we've got a lot of equipment that's moving dirt around, trenching and working on some of the storm drainage areas and working on putting together what will ultimately be a building pad where our new elementary will be located. In the next several months, we hope to be reporting to you more than just dirt work. We expect to see some concrete and structural steel and some of those kind of things that's going to actually show what the building shapes of these buildings are going to ultimately be looking like.